So like we had a general term to find the nth term in an arithmetic sequence, we can also come up with one for a geometric sequence. So what were we doing in the last example? Well, we were taking the first term, and then to get the next term, we were taking the first term and multiplying it by r. And then to get the next term, we were taking that last term, multiplying it by r again, and so on and so forth. So to find the nth term, you're taking the first term, you have to have a starting term, times, and you're going to have, how many r's are you going to have? You're going to have n minus 1. So it's raised to that exponent of n minus 1. Not n, because you don't you have the first term, and the second term is when you start multiplying by r. Okay, so this is the formula for the general term of a geometric sequence. Okay, all right. So find the 8th term. That means you're finding a sub 8 of the geometric sequence whose first term, okay, so that's a sub 1 is the first term, -4, and whose common ratio, so that's r, is -2. All right, so we're going to follow this formula here, the general term. We're going to say a sub 8 is equal to, what's a sub 1? Well, that's -4 times, and then I'm going to have r, which is -2 to the n minus 1. Well, what was n? N was 8. So 8 minus 1. Okay, so a little bit of math here, probably need a calculator. So I'm going to have -4 times -2 to this, got ahead of myself there, -2 to the 7th power. And oh, what's -2 to the 7th? I think it's negative 128, but I'm going to double check that for you. So I just go on my calculator and I say -2 to the 7th power, and we'll see. Oops, I don't know what's going on there. Yeah, we get -128. Now I need to multiply that times times -4, and I get 512. So a sub 8 is equal to 512. Am I expecting it to be positive? I am. So because of the signs and the way that's working. Now, when you have a ratio that's negative, it's going to alternate signs, right? Because it's going to go either negative, positive, negative, or it's going to go negative, positive, negative, positive. Depends on what you start with. So we're starting with a negative, and the 8th term is going to be positive. Okay, so we'll see some more examples.